Hey, out there, YouTube land. Welcome to this episode. Today, we will be discussing a new business venture that we are launching and the equipment that it takes to start it up. So, stick with us. You're going to see an unboxing of each product that we ordered to get this going and a price breakdown of how you could start a business like this on your own today or tomorrow and start making money. All right, so the very first item that we have to open is this box here. This is our impulse sealer. So this is for our product bags. We get this open and you can see all the stuff that it actually comes with. All right, so what we have here is pretty, it's one piece here. I don't have to put anything together. Everything's there. It did come with an extra heating element. We need a sealing element. And this is pretty simple. I've dealt with a lot of these in the past, and that's really all there is to it. You'll just press that down. It makes a contact and seals. And depending on the thickness of the material, you may have to hold it down for a few more seconds than others. So that's really all there is to that. And this impulse. Next up, we have our, let's see, it says Elite Gourmet meat slicer. Now, I probably should have set up a table and done a proper unboxing for all of these, but it was really more about showing you guys what it is that we have purchased to go along with this. So this is your meat slicer. Here's your meat slicer tray. You'll put your goods on there, be slicing back and forth against this blade here. It's a pretty easy concept to understand. So there you are. All right, we'll get on with the next package. The next package, what we have is a Sunmile meat grinder. That's right, this is a meat grinder. So let me open that up. Of course, it's got the instruction manual like all of the other products as well. Couple replace. Let's see what we have here. What we have here looks like that's our grinder head. See, you got your grinder heads, put out little holes, and there should be multiple inserts for different sizes of grind, different coarsenesses of the grind. Can I get you to... Thank you. All right, let's get this here. All right, what's this? Separately packaged. Let's find out. Yep, okay, here's grinding discs or grinding plates of different diameters. So you can go from a coarse grind to a fine grind if you like. All right, there looks like a little push stick so that you can push things down into the machine properly. You know, yep, looks like it fits. Looks like it works. Okay, there's that. And then here's the machine itself. Let's pull it out. It looks like it's just one piece. Yeah, one piece there. Get it out of the plastic for you. Show you what we've got. All right. This, okay, it says on or R. So I'm, okay, well, there's the base. Okay, so this thing should sit just like so. And can I get that grinder head? Let's look at that and see how it goes. It should sit just like this. I'm going to turn it so you can see it. And okay, easy enough. This goes up like so, and this looks like it just fits right in. It does. And you turn it. There we go. And that's it. That's it. Here's your feeder, and we are now hooked up to it, and it'll come right out here. Your grind should come out right here. You've got a button here. I believe that's a stop button or to change things out or what have you. And then here's your off, on, and reverse button. I guess that's what that is. On, off, reverse. I don't know. I'll have to read the instructions. But this is the meat grinder, Sunmile, that we purchased for the new business. Now, let me take a look and see what else we've got here. Here it says Wild Clad. Now, I believe this is our beef jerky gun. And this is where we'll make all of our meat snacks and dehydrated treats that are formed treats. They'll be done like this. So here's your box, the way everything comes, got everything in it. let me open it up and show you what we've got here. All right. All right, looks like a gigantic caulking gun. That's what it looks like. See, there's a plunger in. Just looks like it's pretty easy to understand. Just screw off this cap here. You've got your plunger. You're going to want to pull that back all the way and start filling it up. Put your lid back on it. Let's see if it's that easy. Pull that down. You know what? I might need to read the instructions. I don't even know. Let me see. Can I just pull it back? Or does it unwind? I don't know. Okay, no, you just got to have muscles. That's all it is. You just got to use muscles. But you got to put some muscle on it. I will give it that. They didn't make it easy on us. Okay, just like a caulking gun, it's going to work the same way, just like so. Comes with a few different sizes of bottle brushes here, right? Small one and a large one, so you can get in there and all the cracks and crevices. This would be a flat tip for about a 1 inch or ½ inch by the time it's dehydrated, I bet. Jerky stick. Same thing. Here's your double sticks. They're going to be a little smaller stick, but it's going to shoot out 2 of them for you so you can do more volume at a time. Same thing here would be the largest jerky stick you could make. That's a pretty good diameter there. I'm going to say that's 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 inch diameter. And then you've got, it looks like a ½ inch diameter. Something like that, about a ½ inch diameter. And then a double, right? So you've got the double barrel for the flat sticks or the round Slim Jim style, right? You've got the doubles on both of those. So that's what comes in the jerky gun kit. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty easy to understand. You just fill the tube with your, your meat mixture. Put your, put your desired tip on it. Screw the cap back. Screw the cap back down like so, and go to. That's all. That's all you got to do. Just all over whatever it is you're putting it on. All right, last but not least, we have our final piece of equipment that we purchased today, and this is our Hamdox dehydrator, our food dehydrator. This is what will make all of our jerky treats and dried dehydrated treats. Let me put it down on the ground and pull it up for you so you can see exactly what it looks like. I'll pull it out of the box. It seems to be very well packaged, completely encased in bubble wrap. Isn't that amazing? Basically what we've got here is this is your base. This is your base with your fan in it. And then, here, let's take this off. This should be your tray system. Yeah, here you are. Thank you. Yeah, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tiers, it looks like. 8 tiers. And that is the dehydrator itself. So pretty simple, guys. I mean, this is a basic setup for a very simplistic business. People ask me all the time, how do you start a business with nothing? How does it, how do you put together these little things? Look, I'm showing you right now. This is a pet treat business that you can put together for a little bit of nothing. All of the equipment there was about $255 total from Amazon. There will be links to all of the products down below if you're interested in starting a pet treat product business. And stay tuned to future videos, and I'll actually walk you through taking the different products, doing whatever mixtures we do, putting together those recipes so that you can see how to create these types of things and put them together in a branded packaging system and get them to market. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next go round.